Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to many of our hearts, that pesky neck hump. It's something that can affect our confidence and overall well-being. We spend so much time hunched over our phones and computers, leading to tight chest muscles and weakened back muscles. This modern lifestyle is a major contributor to poor posture. But the good news is, we have the power to change it. With dedication and the right exercises, we can make a significant difference. Yoga, with its focus on stretching, strengthening, and mindful movement, is like a magic elixir for our spines. It helps to open up the chest and strengthen the back. Through regular practice, we can release tension, build strength, and realign our posture, all of which help to gently reduce the appearance of that neck hump over time. Consistency is key. So grab your mat, a bottle of water, and an open heart, and let's embark on this journey together. Let's make this a transformative experience. We're going to start nice and easy with a classic cat-cow pose. Come onto your hands and knees with your wrists directly below your shoulders and your knees hip-width apart. As you inhale, drop your belly towards the mat, arch your back, and gaze up towards the ceiling, cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, tuck your chin to your chest, and let your belly button draw up towards your spine, cat pose. Continue flowing between cat and cow for 5 to 10 breaths, moving with your breath and noticing how each movement feels in your body. From cat-cow, we're going to melt down into child's pose. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. As you exhale, lay your torso down between your thighs, resting your forehead on the mat. Extend your arms out in front of you, palms facing down, and really feel that gentle stretch along your spine. Stay here for 5 to 10 deep breaths, allowing your body to completely relax into the pose. As you breathe, imagine your spine lengthening, your neck releasing, and that neck hump becoming a little less noticeable with every exhale. From child's pose, we're going to gently move into cobra pose. Lie on your belly with your feet hip-width apart and the tops of your feet pressing down into the mat. Place your hands directly under your shoulders. As you inhale, press through your hands and begin to lift your chest off the mat. Keep your shoulders relaxed away from your ears. Cobra pose is a powerful way to strengthen the muscles that support your neck and upper back. Stay here for 3 to 5 breaths, feeling the power and strength in your back body. Now we're going to release some tension in the upper back and shoulders with thread the needle pose. Come onto your hands and knees in tabletop pose. Make sure your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. As you inhale, reach your right arm up towards the ceiling, opening your chest and feeling the stretch. As you exhale, thread your right arm underneath your left arm, resting your right shoulder and cheek on the mat. Feel the gentle twist in your spine. Extend your left arm forward, reaching as far as you comfortably can. Stay here for 5 to 10 deep breaths, allowing your body to soften and release with every exhale. Feel the stretch deepen with each breath. Then, on an inhale, gently thread your right arm back up to the ceiling, feeling the opening in your chest once more. And repeat on the other side, ensuring you balance the stretch on both sides of your body. We're going to finish our practice with another classic downward facing dog. This pose is not only a staple in yoga routines, but also a fantastic way to stretch and align your body. From tabletop pose, tuck your toes under and lift your hips up and back, coming into an upside-down V shape with your body. This transition helps engage your core and prepares your body for the stretch. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. This alignment ensures stability and balance in the pose. Press through your palms and the balls of your feet, lengthening your spine. Feel the energy flowing from your hands to your feet. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 deep breaths, feeling the stretch along the back of your legs, your spine, and all the way up to your neck. Each breath helps deepen the stretch and enhances relaxation. As you breathe, visualize your spine lengthening, your neck becoming more aligned, and that neck hump becoming less and less noticeable. Imagine your body becoming more flexible and aligned with each breath. And there you have it, 5 yoga poses to help banish that neck hump and feel amazing in your body. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Make these poses a regular part of your routine. As always, listen to your body and modify the poses as needed. If something doesn't feel good, stop and adjust. Your practice should feel accessible and enjoyable. Be patient with yourself. Keep shining your light, everyone.